Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying system requirements and freeing up about 20 GB. This avoids mid-install failures. Once done, choose your approach. BlueStacks for a streamlined Android experience, or UTM/virtual machine if you need deeper control and Google Apps. Make sure you have your Mac admin password handy and a stable internet connection. Go ahead and download the DMG or installer package for the emulator you picked, and leave the file in your Downloads folder so you can proceed immediately to installation. You now install the emulator. Open the DMG, drag the app to Applications, and grant any system extension or security permissions when Mac OS prompts you. For Intel Macs, make sure virtualization is enabled. On Apple Silicon, use the ARM build of the emulator. Launch the emulator and follow the initial setup screens. Once running, open the built-in Google Play app and sign into your Google account. This authenticates Play Store access and syncs your apps and purchases so you can install apps as on Android. Finish by installing the apps you need from the Play Store and optimizing emulator settings. Allocate more CPU or RAM for heavy apps and enable clipboard sharing for convenience. Make sure you map keyboard controls and create a handy app folder on your dock for quick access. If the Play Store fails to load or shows authentication errors, sign out and sign back into your Google account, then reboot the emulator. If problems persist, reinstall the emulator and reapply the correct ARM or Intel build so the virtual environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.